Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Simplified. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy link to profile on OnlyFans. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your login details and log in into your OnlyFans account. Now on the screen, at the bottom you're gonna find options like home, notifications, create new post, chats and your profile. You can find a profile that you want to copy link of from home or from the search bar. Just go ahead and go to their profile. Then you're gonna find icons like star and share. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on share, then a menu will appear from the bottom of your screen where you just have to tap on copy, and that's it. And guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.